Hey there, welcome to my channel. I am Jacob at JRO Inc., Lively Lighting Co., creator and founder of PermTrack. So I haven't been able to sit down and get you guys a lot of content, so I wanted to create this montage for you. In this montage, you're going to see snippets from my visit with Chris Mayer, from my visit to Orlando. You're going to see some of the frustrations that I've been going through. You know, I said I was going to bring you on my journey, so here's some snippets. Let's dive in. It's me, and you'll be in a world of pure imagination. Good morning, new catchphrase. What's up, Govee Nation? That's my alarm clock. We are the music makers. We are the dreamers of dreams. I'll add to that, we are the creators. Okay. It has officially begun.
This month on the 24th and the 25th, right? All in Toronto, Canada, solving your biggest challenges. This is direct access to Kevin Harrington, the original shark of Shark Tank, to Brandon, to Tim, to Austin, to our dream team.
A little Les Brown motivation seems relevant today.
Is all you can do, and all you can do is enough. Make sure you do all you can do.
I'm here with Chris Mayer. If you've done any looking around at LED stuff, custom LED stuff, he is the top expert on YouTube, in my opinion.
For them and just show them like, hey, here's how you can sync up another light with these lights if you want to expand the ecosystem. And
okay guys, so day 2 here with Chris Mayer.
That which we focus on, that which we give our energy to, it will begin to multiply. It will begin to expand.
All right, we're headed to the concrete pour at the new shop. I guess I'll take this opportunity for any of the installers out there watching, or any installers that are getting started. Josh got a really good picture with the flag.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, nice.
Such a cool community out here. They've got a golf course. So for the beginning of this one, I'll kind of show you what little beginning setup kind of looks like. What's the sitch? What's the situation?
Let me have them help me with one more thing in the back, and then I can send them out.
We're using a splice wire because it's way smaller diameter than trying to fit the Govee wire through there. I've got 3 other houses to look at and another Govee rescue or redo to start. What am I doing? I believe we're in the Villages, just north of Orlando. So you can see these are all working here. These are all our good strands. We know the controller power supply is working, and we've got it connected to an extension cord. And so what we did is we ran this extension cord over to the neighbors. Thank you guys for letting me be here. Here's a good example of a finishing touch you may want to consider when you're doing your planning. Where we're going to get that this female connector is we took it off of one of the Govee splice kits. Why? Where does the sound go? I want to throw this in the trash. These are the things that make it so frustrating. You're on a roll, things are going good, you're doing what you say you're going to do, and then this crap happens. Welcome to entrepreneurship.